Bonface Kariuki jawanda bugrombe manobilo chielo gi magine kinde ng'anyo matatika par koda biro dweni oyange ni en ng'at ma obwongone koro oknyal tiyo kendo. Kariuki osebedi ka itemo kong ngimane e kar thieth ma jogo mongore, kar thieth ma Kenyatta National Hospital. Owinjane ler ma ochiw gi familia mare.
We received a call at around midnight. It was at around 12:47 midnight from the hospital itself. They needed to have a brief with us, and we have already received the brief. We have been told what is happening, and the reality of the things, what is happening is that Bonface Kariuki is confirmed to be brain dead. So that's where and how far we are. The hospital bill now is quite higher. We are at 3 point something now. So we are praying and hoping now for the well wishers, because now when somebody has been confirmed brain dead, we know what it means. So the brainstem of Bonface Kariuki, it's not working any longer. So for all the well wishers, we as the family of Bonface Kariuki, we cry upon you, because a lot of hopes and promises were being given to us, but none has come through. So on behalf of that, we were given a pay bill for the medical bill fund, whereby is 7682-551 account. It's your name, and the name that to reflect out of that pay bill, it's Bonface Kariuki Medical Fund. So hapo ndipo tuko. Thank you. When they're saying about brain dead, legally in Kenya, there is no that permission of switching off the life support machine. He is still under the life support machine, but tumekonfirmiwa sahi ya kwamba he is now brain dead. So juu Kenya haijakubalisha ati machine inaweza zimwa ama anything, tumeambiwa we wait for the fate. Yes.